All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with, look at this, North Arm Knives Skaha version 2 right over here, ready to get dismantled, disassembled, taken care of. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this stuff that I'm doing. Am I crazy? Am I the only one loving this, guys? Like, whew, look at this. There's no need for anything for this guy. I just want to show you if there's, and I also want to check by myself if there is anything changed on the inside from the version 1, which I don't believe they changed anything. I guess the only difference are going to be the blade and the angle of the pocket clip for a superficial observation. And real quick one, because I just got this. Actually, I was in the mailing list, I think, for like, I don't know, a couple years. And I bought like already several of these guys, but you know, this guy popped up and I'm like, yeah, sure, let's check it out. Let's see how it's different. So, all right, let's do like this. Let's just pop out the pivot from the lock side right over here, like so. Disengage the lock bar, release the tension, remove the blade and those bearings. Let me see, what am I missing here? Nothing, just tight tolerances. Whew, that is pretty good, guys. Feels nice, I have to say. Looks like it's the same. So inside, you see, I already see some chipped areas on the carbon fiber here, so not perfect fit and finish on the inside, but I mean, after all, it's like I paid, I think, 340 Canadians, so something like that. So you see, still it's not like perfect. You see some things on the outside, it's pretty good, I have to say. Anyways, let's go ahead and clean this out. Grab some rubbing alcohol right over here. And then let's just do this and this. Just clean everything. We want this to be super smooth. I'm tempted to put some skiffs bearings. I don't know. Let me know, guys, in the comment if you think it would be nice to do like a comparison with like before and after with some skiffs. I don't know. Maybe it's something you would be interested in checking out. I would do it. Why not? If you wanted to see something, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to accommodate your requests. 1, 2, 3 and 3 of the 10 weight nano oil for this side of of the knife, like that should be good. And bearing are in on the show side, and 1, 2, and 3, and that is fine. 1 drop on the detent, integrated detent ball. We got the show side scale in place, nice and snug finish, guys. I have to say it. Ooh. It feels tighter. I don't know. It feels like it has like tighter tolerances this time. Maybe I'm just tripping, but it does feel tighter. Handle screws are back. You got a T8 for this job, and you got a T10 for the pivot. That is in. That is in as well. And just swap this fella and put this guy. Because this is like a spinning pivot, I'm not gonna do any Loctite. You could do it if you want. I'm not doing it in this case because it's all right. Okay, so okay, and this is all the way down. Probably is gonna be, yeah, too tight. So let's just do just a little bit less on this side. tiny bit less on this side, checking centering. Feels a little bit, still no blade play, a little bit too tight. Let's do a little bit less here and a tiny bit less here. No blade play, guys. And now we are in business. Yeah, that's with the wrist flick. This is without. Yeah, this is ready for like a 5-finger challenge. And 1, that's pretty good. And 2, yeah, and we can do 3. That's pretty good. And you can do 4, yes. And let's do the pinky. Yeah, look at that. It works pretty well, guys. It is the smoothest and the nicest, let's say, budget knife regarding the action. I mean, just crazy. Check this out. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.